The Volvo XC60 is getting a new Black Edition variant for the 2024 model year. Volvo will restrict the strictly visual update to the top-spec Ultimate trim. The 2024 XC60 Black Edition features black onyx exterior paint. Volvo further enhances the crossover's aesthetic with a glossy black logo and wordmark. At all four corners sit gloss black 21-inch, 5-spoke alloy wheels. The XC60 Black Edition cabin has a black headliner and a charcoal interior. Volvo offers the cabin with two-seat upholstery options. Customers can select either the charcoal ventilated Nappa leather or the Nappa leather leatherette textile sport seats. Mesh aluminum accents and the Orifice crystal gear shift knob complete the interior. The 2024 XC60 B5 Ultimate Black Edition starts at $58,595. Prices include the $1,095 destination charge. The XC60 T8 Recharge Ultimate Black Edition is over $10,000 more, starting at $70,045. The B5 features a 4-cylinder engine with 48-volt mild hybrid technology. The powertrain makes 247 horsepower, propelling the crossover to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds. The T8, a plug-in hybrid, makes 455 horsepower from its setup and can reach 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. It can also travel up to 35 miles in pure electric mode thanks to its 18.8 kWh battery. The XC60 Black Edition is similar to the S60 Black Edition that Volvo launched for 2022. The automaker offered the sedan in two exterior colors, onyx black and crystal white metallic. The package included black 19-inch rims, black lettering, and other visual enhancements. Volvo pledged to build fewer than 450 S60 Black Edition sedans for the 2022 model year. The company didn't announce similar production restrictions for the 2024 XC60 Black Edition. The crossover is the brand's best-selling model in the US, with sales up 15.5% through June. The crossover has accounted for nearly one-third of the brand's total sales in America so far this year.